In today's video, I will walk you through how to add pauses in ElevenLabs. If you're working on an ElevenLabs voiceover and want it to sound more natural, adding pauses is a simple way to improve the pacing of your audio. In this guide, I'll show you two different methods you can use to add pauses while generating speech, depending on the mode you're using. The first method works directly in the text you enter. As you're typing or pasting your script into ElevenLabs, you can create a pause by adding multiple periods in a row. Instead of using a single period, type several periods together wherever you want the voice to pause. This is a quick and easy way to create short breaks in your narration. When ElevenLabs processes your text, it interprets those extra periods as a signal to insert a pause into the generated speech. You can place these multiple periods anywhere in your script where you want the narration to slow down or pause briefly before continuing. If you want more control over where pauses happen, there's another option available. Switch to the 11v3 audio mode. This mode gives you access to additional features that let you fine-tune the way your audio is generated. Once you're using 11v3, you can replace the multiple periods with a pause tag. Instead of typing several dots, type the word pause inside square brackets. Enter it exactly as a pause tag wherever you want the break to happen in your script. Using this tag gives the AI a direct instruction to insert a pause at that specific point in the narration. Rather than trying to read the word itself, the AI recognizes it as a command and creates the pause in the generated audio. After you've finished adding your pause tags throughout the script, review your text to make sure each pause appears where you want it. This helps ensure the generated speech follows the pacing you're aiming for. When everything looks correct, generate the speech and listen through the result. If you want to adjust the timing, simply return to your script, move the pause tags or the multiple periods to different locations, and generate the audio again until you're satisfied with how it sounds. That's all there is to it. Whether you use multiple periods in your text or switch to 11v3 and use pause tags, both methods let you add pauses to your narration and control the pacing of your generated speech. Once you've found the approach that works best for your project, you can continue editing your script and generating your voiceover with the pauses exactly where you want them. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.